Hey kids, what's up? Hey Benaya, hey Ella. I'm gonna show you a fire truck that Benaya got from his friends, and that's a dickie toys truck, fire truck. Great toy. We have it almost a year, and it survived. So this is it. Look, it got the siren and the lights. See? And great sounds, and it has the leather. Show you here. This is it. And this one. Now if we push the button, it sprinkles water from this side. That it goes to all sides, and 6 wheels. Very detailed, as you can see. And what else? I think nothing else, really. It's enough. Well, buy Dickie Toys. Great company. Bye bye.